Hello students, welcome to the Sunny Sky English High School. Today we see lesson number 2 in moral science of standard 5th. Clear? See students, this is your lesson number 2 religion. This is your lesson number 2 religions. Clear? Let's see the lesson. God is our creator. God is our creator. He has given us everything that we have. We have to know Him, love Him and serve Him. Finally, we have to go back to God. It is religion that teaches us about God. Religion is teach is to what is the God, and we have to talk with God by prayer. Religion is a bridge between God and man. This bridge connects us and leads us to God. Religion is bridge between God and man. This bridge connects us and leads us to God. There are many religions in the world. There are different religions like Hindu, Muslims, Christians, Sikh. Clear? You know everything. But there is a religion. They have different practice and ways. They are all like different roads leading to same places. We must follow the teaching of our religions. This can be found to be holy books. Clear? In Hindu, there are Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, and in Muslim, there are Quran. In Christians, there are Bibles. These all are the different type of holy books. Their religious teachings help us to understand them. We must respect the religions of others. One should not ridicule or laugh at the religion's practice followed by the others. Children, we have to respect to all religions equally only. No religion teaches its followers to hate or kill others. No religions, any religions cannot teach us to hate and kill others. They all tell us to do good and to avoid evils. All religions teaches us to do good things and avoid to evil. There will be peace and unity in the world if everybody follows the teaching of his religions. We must remember that it makes no differences. Religions cannot to divide others. It makes peace of mind and unity to others. We must remember that it makes no differences between human beings. One goes to pray in temple, church, mosques or gurudwara. Different religions people go for the different places and holy places like temples, mosques, church or gurudwara because they are all place of worship. These all holy places are for the worship. We must have respect for all religions. Children, we have to respect to all religions, religious places also and religious practice for all religious people. We should not allow religion to separate us or to divide us. Any religion is not teaches us to separate or to divide us. All religions teaches us only peace of mind and unity. Instead, it should bring us together as children to God. And God is our loving Father. Religion should be uniting force. Religion is a uniting force. Clear students? And this lesson of the you have to teach for religions, different religions. You have to go and you have to respect to all religions. And the moral of the lesson is we have to respect all religions. God is our loving Father and religion should be uniting force. Clear students? This is your lesson number 2. Now in your textbook there is a page number. On your page number there are some exercise, question answers, true or false, and see question answers, true or false, and there is a next even giving whatever association with to from the box. Classify. Clear? On page number 11. On page number 11. This question answers true or false, classify blanks and MCQs. You have to see from your study material on page number 25. See students, this is your study material and your study material from page number 25. Page number 25, lesson number 2. Page number 25, lesson number 2, religions. There are question answers, and page number 26 there are true or false, MCQs or blanks. Clear? You have to write from your study material on your class work with neat and proper handwriting. Clear? And in your homework there are some blanks. Lesson number 2, blanks in your homework book also. Clear? Next lesson we will see in next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.